Welcome back to the channel. This is my Stratus Duo. I thought the black looked a little bland, so I went ahead and hydro dipped it. Let me show you how. In this video, I'm going to hydro dip this little controller. Any of y'all who have seen my previous video on this controller, my review, know that I love this little thing, but it looks a little bland. So first thing we need to do is we need to take it apart. We'll just be back to the point to where we're hydro dipping it. Catch you in a second. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Well, I got the controller apart and I did put a light white base on it so that way it makes, the colors pop, makes them stand out. So let's get started. I'm using Magic Marble paints to do this dip. And it only takes a little. Now take it and put it in at an angle and give it a light spin as you enter the water. There you go. Add a little color to it. I'll get this all back together and join you in a minute. So, here's the finished product. It turned out pretty good, I think. Now, after you hydro dip and the paint dries, go ahead and put a sealer on it to protect it from scratches and protect it from wear. But all in all, it turned out pretty good. Then you just need to put it all back together. It's not hard to hydro dip. I actually enjoy it and find it a lot of fun. Gives all your peripherals and PC cases, in case you decide to do those, gives them a little flair, makes them unique, makes them your own. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and share this video with others. I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, I'm out of here. You all have a good one.